Well, hello there. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about an awesome travel hack that you probably already know about, and you may already have one sitting in your closet. This is sort of a replacement for such a thing as a Scotty vest or one of these vests with pockets. If we haven't met yet, my name is Natalie. I'm a decorative and restoration artist turned travel vlogger, and I teach women how to pack with purpose, mainly with very small capsule wardrobes that can take you from 4 days to 4 weeks with a minimal number of items. So in today's video, let's dive in to this hack. So I made it through security. I have TSA pre-check, thank goodness, so that worked really well. And now I'm headed to my gate. I wanted to share something. So one of my recent comments to my Scotty vest jacket video, somebody responded and said that they could not afford a $200 Scotty vest jacket. So what I wanted to show you today is that I don't have to use a Scotty vest jacket or an ex officio jacket. Now I have one with me, and I am using it, and I am using the pockets, but my main jacket that I use all the time is a denim jacket. This one happens to be Levi's, but I also have plenty of Old Navy and take your pick of thrift store find denim jackets that have pockets on the interior. So I'm going to insert a photo here and show you how my pockets are kind of locked and loaded on my travel day. And the reason I like a denim jacket, and I even have a denim style jacket in cotton, in linen, I have several different ones that allow me to pack everything that I need to pack and have at hand. So right now my cell phone would be in my left pocket, and in my right pocket I have my little skinny RFID wallet, I have my tickets, and then I have a little, I guess it's a little pouch that has my kind of in-flight essentials in it. And then let me see if I can show you. In this pocket up here, I have a bathroom wipe just in case, there's no toilet paper. And then I also have some hair barrettes in there. And I try to keep my hair up on travel days, or at least have a scrunchie with me, especially if I'm using a backpack, because otherwise it gets tangled in the straps and it's uncomfortable. In this upper pocket, if I can get it undone, maybe not. I don't think I can do this with one hand, but I have my AirPods in here, as well as a chapstick. So you don't have to have a lot of money. I can buy a denim jacket in great condition at a Salvation Army for $3.99. So you don't have to spend a lot on travel, but the main thing to keep in mind is that when you are traveling, that you're using things that make your life easier and keep you organized when you're in flight. And I think that's the main thing for me. I don't want to be rummaging in my bag. And that's one of the reasons I like the Scotty vests and my ex officio jacket. And in fact, I got one of my Scotty vests at a thrift store, and I also got my ex officio jacket that I love, that kind of rolls and folds within itself, at a thrift store as well. So you don't have to spend a lot of money, but you do have to figure out how to be organized. That's the main ticket, my main tip for today. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for being here. You know the drill. Please like, please subscribe, and definitely share this with a friend if you think it could help them. I can't wait to share my next capsule wardrobe with you, so stay tuned. There's a whole lot more. Take care, and bye for now.